Jonas Villanueva. He's a big point guard.
Actually, boyfriend
and he's a proven winner, which is important for San Miguel. That's 2 years in a row nang dinraft nila with their first draft pick as a point guard. And ito si Jonas Villanueva, maganda dito, he has all the tools. In the PGA, it's very hard to come by big point guards that can carry the ball and are not afraid to bring down the basketball from end to end. Guys, listen up. Okay? Rico, listen, everybody. Rico did a good job. Once you know you got your opponent behind you, sit here, kaya mo na siya umamol. Now, defensively, your job, you gotta get there in front of him. Don't just allow him to shoot behind, okay? Karamihan ng big, hindi naman siya jump shot yun. Dito ka na dumas. Mapasok ka na. Kaya mo siya pumayos doon, hindi mo siya jump shot. Okay? So, adjustment.
Yung meron di ba?
Stricto sila sa mga tawagan. Tapos, mga teammate ko rin. At the sky kasi, minsan, bigla ka na papasahan nila. Dapat, malakas pa talagang pangalaman sila yung mga players.
Lalo?
All time! Next week! Good! Good! Make it work! Good! Hey, go! May follows, I could learn from all the players na kasama ko sa team. Karamihan dito mga national players. We'll be practicing with them every day. Parang yun yung titingnan ko na advantage from the other rookies siguro. I could improve here and then yung sarili ko para sa long-term career. Well, both of them malaking potential. Si Sam kasi, alam naman natin, 6'9". This big fan, 6'10", 6'11" siya eh. So, napakalaki ng potential niya eh.
Wala mo na kayo.
And then, kapag winning position sa FPU, hindi niya madadala niya. Bukod pa rito, nakuha din nila ang servisyo ng 2006 Rookie of the Year na si Larry Bonachel mula sa Red Bull.
Pangarap na rin.
So, lang dito is sobrang challenging sa guarding Ronco's door defense. So, yung movement, talagang hindi ko pwede i-take lightly yung practice. So, I'm just going to be implementing them inside. I was used to playing 20 minutes a game. Maybe if I can maintain that same amount of minutes. Kasi I've proven naman that I can make the most out of the little time that the coach gives. Medyo nakakapasok ka, pero I'm sure season goes on, hindi maganda yung flow ng team kasi siyempre, fit din sa system, one of our shooters. Nag-adjust pa siya somehow, pero better rin yung lagi naman sa good player.
Wala na yung pinag-gasal.
Rod, Larry, good defense. Take that. You can't do anything about the goal. Rod, Larry.
Kalaban. Ang ganda.
Hindi naman kailangan ko yan. Just players na lang talagang detail lang dito every minute of practice time. Meron talagang ginagawa. They give their A game every time they practice. So that's a sign for me to really give my best every time to relax. I will think all good players are willing to all good players are willing to so I don't really think ego is a problem. It's just making everybody understand the situation. Work on your position. Go, left, good. 1-on-1, right. Good, outside, good. Right, at the left, good. Watch him throw jump shot, that's good. Hold it. Hold it. Tao mo ka, yan. Okay? Para pag tumaan sa dito, okay, get here. Dali ako dito. Get back here, okay? Pagulong mo lahat, okay? Kung kaya mo dito naman, walang problema. Iintoy naman siya sa sandali, okay? You just don't want to be outside, wait, step in. Magsama ka pa rin, okay? But that's good. Ah, good, get up, good, good! Next one! He tries to get everybody to get to the same page, understand everybody's role in the team, how to get guys their minutes, and how to put guys in situations that would be beneficial for them. Good! Good! Good one, Daniel! Good! Good behind! Good! There you go! Good! There you go! Good defense! Good defense!
Perfect. Wala na natin yung pang...
Ah! Ole!
Pag dito, square ka na, huwag kang magbibigay ng size. Nandito ka na. Dito ka na. Dito na tapos na. Huwag kang magbibigay ng size. Okay, so, ikaw mo na. Ikaw. Okay? Although, alam ko, this is for real purposes, okay? Pero dito ka muna. As a player, stay here. Okay? Pag nakita mo naka-recover na siya, pa!
Pero mabot ko na din sa bago ko, Daddy.
Let's go, come on. Go, Rico, go, Rico. Push him out. Rico, good. Good, good, Rico, good. Rico, receive this. When you push him out, okay now.
Great spoil here.
Come on. There you go again. Good, that's it. Second chance, come on, come on.
Daddy lang. Sa movie. Dili ka. Ayun yung panay, lumalba na din.
Tom, you got Steve in there.
Uy, look at this is so good. I love it. Kaya yata ito?
Mount Wilson. Oh, no, he can play. It just depends on his health, but everybody knows if he's healthy, he can play in the team.
I'll just try to figure out what I should do to help the team. I might have a different role this year. I won't have to score as much, definitely, because there's a lot of new scorers. Find ways to maybe help get better on defense. That's probably the biggest personal goal. I really feel that we could definitely win this game.
Nakanungasin na?
He always got big first and nothing is jumped out to it. He is makes it more than you. No other guy's team is basically his team. He puts in the work, the hours, he needs to really dedicate to professional. Olsen has always been solid, even if he's one of the big veterans or older statesmen. But I can see he's still solid. He doesn't get injured, and he's always been a smart player, and he's a team leader.
Alam talaga yung team namin. Maganda yung ginawa ng management para makapuno ng solid na team na better in all positions. I think it's up to us, it's up to the coaching staff of the players. Kung paano namin mapag-halo-halo lahat, kung paano kami mas-gel in time for the opening.
And Vico Villanueva. He's making a monster inside, but he just has to learn to harness that power in him, channel it in a direction that will be positive. Concentration.
Ano ba nga ninyo kaya
London's a very good defender, one of the bigger defenders in this league. That's why he's so valuable in the international games, so he can change guards that are super stronger than he is.
Mahirap mga 15 na ganong talent. Sa pinapakita namin sa official, marami pa kami gagawin, marami pa kami players have to sacrifice, to play their role, to better the team, malayo pa kami.
Shooting
Kailangan lang pagtrabahuan. Kailangan.
Ang balong ko nito. Ang champion.
He's the best right now for
Yan
that.
naman pang ganda.
In the sense that they play more type of games. They're very good. Top shooter, smart player. Doesn't mean that they set up for a contact, but I mean,
Larry Bonasher.
Bonasher is a big outside threat. He makes sure that he keeps the defense on the west end.
L.A. Tenorio.
And this is his second year, and I think his experience, he would be a smarter player.
Gabby Espina. Wesley Gonzalez.
Wesley is similar to Gabi, that their attitude is throw stuff. They don't get most of the glamour thing. They don't score really much, but they're asked to defend and rebound and also
Willie Wilson.
he's the unsung hero. He does all the small things for the team, but it's very valuable to the team.
Jonas Villanueva. At sa Inky Eva.
He's still learning the position. He still has a lot of things over up. It's difficult on his part. He's very willing naman
want to learn.
Jonah, we're looking at him 2 or 3 years down the road, but to be honest, he's a very good point guard. He solidifies our point guard rotation.
Hindi lamang punong-puno ng talento, umaapaw pa.
No team has ever won it on paper. Everything is won in the basketball court.